someone mistakenly put me in charge of running the GoPro tonight. So with that being said, I would like to welcome you to the Dawson and Caitlin Schulte Show.
We're here at the Schulte wedding with the lovely bride herself. Caitlin, how are you feeling this morning?
Good. Very nervous.
Mom's in the kitchen. You ready?
There he is. Oh wait, we're capturing another moment.
This is Macy,
Hi.
maid of honor.
Woo, Caitlin's getting her makeup done.
Number one advice, happy wife, happy life.
I don't have anything else.
Step back, shut up, just go along with the ride. Don't make Caitlin mad.
Just talk to each other. There's no problem that can't be talked through.
Dawson and Caitlin, I'm so happy for you guys. You guys are the best people I know. Just keep being you guys, and yeah, best wishes.
Congratulations on your big day. Wish you all a lifelong of happiness.
Hi Caitlin, hi Dawson. When you guys start having babies, I will babysit. Travel a lot. Communication is key.
Enjoy every stage of marriage.
Always kiss goodnight.
Be understanding.
Congratulations!
Hey guys, we're wishing you a happy start to your marriage. We can't wait to be right behind you in everything marriage related and have all the questions in the world for you, but just so stoked to see you guys finally make it happen.
Congratulations.